H I N C S.
Welcome, super spicy people, to Lecture Tuesdays. This is Fashion and Style with Misi. And on Lecture Tuesdays, we are currently introducing the theme of the channel, which is leaving the set apart unapologetically. And another theme within the theme is fashion and style. And so the first area we are going to be discussing will be hints. What is hint about? Basically, I've been talking about that if you watch our previous episodes or episodes where we talked about class versus trash, and I've been saying hint, and so we're going to dissect what hint means here on today's episode. Stay tuned. Looking unto Jesus, the author and finisher of our faith. So for hint of the chest, the aim is the beauty of the feminine curves, basically. Caution, hint of the chest should lay properly against the chest. If it doesn't lay, a singlet or firm and covered underwear should be worn. And hint of the chest shouldn't be worn everywhere, basically. It shouldn't. And hint of the back, the aim is the beauty of the shoulders, the width, generally. So caution, hint of the back should lay properly against the back. If it doesn't lay, a singlet or firm and covered underwear should be worn. And underwear can be and should be properly tucked into avoid overexposure, like the bra straps, the bra hooks and lines and all of that. Then for the third, which is the N, hint of the thighs, which is slightly above the knee. The aim is for more comfort and freedom in movement, liberty, basically. So caution, hint of the thigh, there should be more extra protective clothing worn. For example, from underwear such as spandex or cotton tights. We're going to see it in more illustrations, and this is especially for like flare and A-shape gowns. And for T, hint of a body part quite properly covering the other body parts. The aim is modesty into toward. How is the best one? If you wear a short skirt or shorts, you will cover mostly the arms, the neck, shoulders, or even a portion of the legs in boots, high boots. And wear tights under your short skirts. Let your shorts be firm, not the type that's showing all your butt cheeks, basically. And don't wear it at all times, and don't wear it everywhere, basically. So for which is S, hint of the neck, clavicle, or collarbones. The aim is hint of the neck, clavicle, or collarbones. The aim is accentuation and revelation of present beauty. There's a beauty in the neck and the shoulders, even without you even exposing a part of the chest. It's just really beautiful. And how is the best one? Know what works for you and go for it. Also, work with patterns of 1 to 4 for best results. The caution, basically. The hint lays firmly against the chest, and this particular type was worn for a dinner event. So note, similar styles were worn for dinner parties during the Victorian era. It lays firmly against the back, and their underwears are not visible for both. Firm and fitted underwear should be worn, especially in the case of sitting and bending. It's just part of modesty, basically. It's part of consideration, godly consideration. She covers most of the body parts and exposes the legs with wisdom. That's discretion, basically. That's being discreet. And the second picture, she covers most of the body parts, and similar to the first, and she's wearing boots, like we've spoken of earlier. And for the tall, she's wearing a short skirt, but she's wearing a thick tie, so it's similar to the color of her skin underneath. Then she wears a transparent black socks on top. This is similar to saying she's wearing trousers, she's wearing a top, and she's still wearing a skirt, a flare skirt for the extra effect. Then for the last, she's wearing boots and thick opaque tights, so basically you can't see through it, and she's covering most of body parts basically. Thanks for watching, and that's wrap baby.